Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you, and I'm so glad that I decided to share this brief message with you. And the subject matter is kick inertia in the butt. I am so tired of seeing inertia stop people from moving forward and growing and developing in their lives. And so I want to talk about it. It's going to be brief, but I think it's going to be powerful and shed some light on why so many people are stuck or are trapped, okay, from moving forward and becoming everything that they were designed to become. Some people lose sight of their purpose. Some people never know what their purpose is, but and it's because of this thing called inertia. And I am sick of it. And I want to show you how to kick inertia in the butt. Stay with me for the next few moments, okay? Okay. All right. I had to get composed here. I was going off a little bit. But as you can see, it says in the world of personal growth and development, and many of you may not know, but this is something that I've been in for many years. I started because I realized, let me back up, because I didn't realize what I needed, but I know I needed something, and I needed to grow personally. At the same time, I began to grow spiritually as well. So, but that's another subject in itself. But here it says, in the world of personal growth and development, inertia isn't just a physics term. It's the silent, subtle force that keeps you stuck where you are. My goodness. And there's a lot of people who are stuck right where they are, and they don't know how to come out of being stuck, okay? Inertia is that lingering hesitation, the comfort zone that whispers, stay here where you are. It's safer here. People don't want to move out of the comfort zone because the comfort zone keeps them, locked in, so to speak. Inertia is the tendency to resist change or maintain the status quo. Inertia keeps you in the same old. You know what I'm talking about. You may not be there, but I know you know somebody who is there right now in the same old. Okay? Now, is inertia stopping you? Say it. I'm going to kick inertia in the butt. And mean it. I mean it. You're going to kick it in the butt, because I'm going to show you how you can come out of this thing and start moving into a life of personal growth and development, and to really moving forward and operating in your purpose, and start living your dream life, okay? Now look at this. Inertia is the gap between the life you dream of and the one you're living. It is the resistance to moving forward or making necessary changes in our lives. It shows up as a reluctance to try new things, to step out of our comfort zones. It keeps us in a state of procrastination. Okay, we want to procrastinate all the time. It causes us to operate in self-doubt. We're afraid to take risks, or we operate in the belief that tomorrow is a better day to start. Here's a spoiler alert right here. Tomorrow is not a better day to start. You see, tomorrow is just today wearing a different outfit. That's something to think about, isn't it? Okay, so how do you begin to kick inertia in the butt? There are 5 things I want to share with you in this video. Now there's more, but 5 that's going to get you started and get you kicking inertia in the butt. Okay, number 1, as you can see, and let me just move this on down so that you can see it. Okay, number 1, start small. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, but progress begins with 1 step. Make your first move tiny. Doesn't matter. It's okay to start small. Many things have started small and become huge, but you got to start somewhere, and you got to start now. Okay. Make your first move tiny, almost laughably easy, and let the momentum build. Number 2, identifying the root cause. Understanding the underlying fears and beliefs that contribute to inertia is crucial for overcoming it. See, why do you think, inertia is holding you back? What are those fears that you have in your heart that's stopping you from being all that you were designed to be? What are those things? What are those belief systems that is going on in the way that you think, that's stopping you from living the life that you want to live? We have to think about those things, identify them, and then move forward from them. Okay. Now, let's look at the last 3, and we'll be done. We'll be out of here. Kick inertia. Oh, kick inertia in the butt. Okay. Here we go. Number 3, visualize your why. What's on the other side of the breakthrough? Think about that. See, picture it vividly. Feel it. Hold that vision as your guiding light when inertia tries to creep in. And believe me, inertia will try to creep in. There's always something that tries to hold us, to hold us back, to hold us down, to stop us from moving forward in our lives. Okay. And you've got to visualize. You've got to see what it is that you really want. You've got to see it. Okay. Because if you can see the invisible, you can do the impossible. Okay. Now look at this. Number 4, shift your environment. Your surroundings shape your energy. Surround yourself with people, spaces, and resources that align with your goals. The right energy will nudge you into action. You know what I've had to do? I've had to straighten up some things in my office because it was draining me. And so I was like, what's draining me? What's stopping me from? I had to get some things in order because they were draining me. And you can't be in stuff or around stuff or around people that's draining your energy. Okay. And you want to keep your energy up. Why? You got some things to do. You got some places to go. You got people to see. You've got some money to make. You understand what I'm saying? Absolutely. I hope you get it. Okay, number 5. And this, oh man, this grabs me. This is in my heart. This is in my soul. All of these are, but this is where it really began for me. Okay. And that is developing a growth mindset. What is a growth mindset? It's a mindset that's embracing the challenges of life. Okay. Embracing a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for growth can help overcome the fear of failure. Yeah, you're going to go through some tough times. Yeah, everything's not going to work out the way you hope that it would. But guess what? You keep going, you keep growing, you keep going, you keep growing, and realizing that whatever you're going through, they're just challenges. They're just opportunities for growth. Okay. And when we start looking at it like that, then we're able to overcome the fear of failure. And I want to say something about failure. You know, I used to think years ago, and I was, man, it dogged me so bad. I used to think that whenever I failed at something, that I was a failure. No, guess what? Many successful people in life have failed their way to success. All right. Now, in closing, all right, let me just shift here. Let me shift. Okay, my wife started vacuuming outside of my door, and it might be bleeding through. I don't know, but I just want to say this in closing, that I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description area of this video and some information. So be sure to check it out. If you're looking for a great home-based business opportunity, then check it out. Check those links out. Okay, see what and I'm excited. So let me slow down. Let me slow it down and get it out. We've got some amazing. It's two opportunities: low cost, high profit potential opportunities, and some things that will help you even develop and grow personally, as well as financially. Okay, but there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye bye now.